This is the Arma Mojave 4S FPV. If you look here, we have the truck you all know and love. Incredible performing desert truck. But inside this one, there's a camera on a gimbal. And that's the Caddx walk snail camera combination, the Avatar 1080 Pro camera and transmitter package with the 5-inch monitor, walk snail Caddx receiver. Obviously you can just drive, watch your truck as normal, and then you got your first person view whenever you want it. Let's fire it up and show you how it works. So you'll see the system is powered by the balance port of the battery. Here's the transmitter setup. It has 2 fans on it. It has 1 fan on the top and 1 fan on the bottom. It's able to pull air through this plate setup we've created as the camera mount. Hear those fans kicking on, plenty of cold air. That transmitter runs nice and cold now. And those things notoriously run hot, which is why I did 2 fans instead of 1. Now it runs cold. And there it is. Driver is a camera, passenger remains intact. Tried to keep as much of the body intact here as possible, but there's some hacking that went on here that I'll be able to improve next time for sure. Now I know what material needs to be removed and what doesn't need to be removed. To fire up the monitor, just takes a standard Sony battery. Power that up. Boom, we got a visual. There it is, a view from the truck. Nice and stable. So this is a little teaser for you guys. We're gonna be showing you some in action of this. For now, we're still just testing the final build here, making sure everything's working right, everything looks great. We're about to have some real fun. Stand by.